coming into Cadiz. I'm going to visit my sister and my brother-in-law. They're coming here by cruise ship, we're coming by car. It's beautiful, actually.
There's the cruise ship.
Yes, there. I see it. This is beautiful, I like this coming in here.
Why?
Well, that
It's
is
a
a ship.
big one.
That is a ship. Symphony of the Sea. Wow, this is a beautiful city. It's a beautiful little square. I think I'll spend a bit of time here, have a coffee. This is the centre square in Cadiz. It's absolutely beautiful here. I could spend some time here. There's a little market. My brother-in-law Billy, my sister Sylvia. You just turn corners and this place just opens up. Wow, this is gorgeous. Cathedral de Cadiz. What a lovely little road. You just walk around another corner. Oh, that beer's starting to look good. Tapas shop. Tiny little lanes. This is called Cala Campania. Lanes leading off. Oh. You turn another corner and you're into another square. Plaza Topete. This place is unbelievable. This is definitely a busy little place. Lots of people. Post office. Oh, they even have a flea market here. Little sale. 4 o'clock, and I see a table of women. It's a lovely little lane. What's this called? I'm not even sure what it's called. Give us a big smile.
Have the drag seats of you because the woman.
Big smile. Big smile, Billy.
One needs to decide. It's 13 people.
It's coming in to another wee square. It's amazing. All these roads all lead into these squares.
Y ahora a la hora del reparto.
Wow, look at that. Look at that road. So narrow. You could probably jump from one balcony to the other. It's Cala Cardenal Zapata. It's a nice, another little lane. And a nice little square. I think it must be time for another beer. Little square. Just about everywhere you go here. Beautiful places. This is Plaza de St. Augustine. And we're now heading down this little lane. Again, no name on it, but very nice. Cala Dr. Ramon y Cajal. Cajal. You don't pronounce the J, do you? Oh. Nice little bar down there. Rodista Emilio Lopez. It's just so much. Doesn't matter which way you turn. I think you would have to stay here a week or a month just to visit some of these little side streets. And everywhere you go, there's a little bar sitting on the side street. Bar Volantares. I like that. It's a good name for me. Again. So often I keep thinking I'm heading back into the same area again, but it's not. That's a different church again. Wow. Sal Cristal de la Veracruz. Very beautiful area. Cala Rafaela de la Pesca, I think. Please excuse my Spanish pronunciations. Antonio Lopez, I can say that one alright. And Isabella la Católica. Okay, we're going down Antonio Lopez. Guys, we found the República de Haiti consulate, Cadiz. Strange place. Oh, and it looks like Christmas is coming too. Camel Manuel Francis. Restaurant, bar, tapas house. This little bar, it's a little bit rough and ready. And there's a lovely man just bringing us some beers. Thank you very much. Service with a smile. What I love is the lampshades. I don't know if I'm going to pick this up on the camera or not. Now guys, this has to be the Crested Resistance. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a huge square straight up from the marina where the boats are docked. And you come around here and look at this. It's unbelievable. I think that needs a little bit of translation because I definitely can't read that.
This is to do with the first constitution,
Yeah.
the Los Esparoles, from the 19th of March.
In 1812. And it's what a beautiful day. See, this is November. And just to put it into context, that's the ship in the background.
The Symphony.
The Symphony of the Sea here. The back of the monument is almost as grand as the front. My God. Look at the detail. Not now, Josephine. Cadiz. It's very rare at the back of a monument has so much detail. It's absolutely beautiful. Cheerio to Billy and Sylvia as they head back onto this huge Symphony of the Seas to carry on across their ocean voyage, and we drive home back to Portugal, and that's them through. Well, what a monster of a boat.